Assistive technology for persons with physical disabilities.
The United States Congress defines assistive technology as any item, piece of equipment, or product system, whether acquired commercially off the shelf, modified or customized, that is used to increase, maintain, or improve the functional capabilities of individuals with disabilities.
Students use assistive technology so that they can access the same educational opportunities with their peers. The following are the categories of assistive technology. Number one, we have the mobility aids.
Mobility aids are assistive technology devices that help people perform movements in a variety of environments, which include the following: manual and electrical wheelchairs, canes, scooters, walkers, vans modified for travel, electronic direction finding mobility aids, and other adaptations and devices.
Second, we have the sitting and positioning aids.
Sitting and positioning aids used to position the disabled person in the best posture to participate in a particular activity. The activity might involve moving from place to place, sitting during conversation, eating, sleeping, and others. Examples of these devices are the following: adapted sitting, standing table, seat belt, braces, transfer aids, cushions, and wedges to maintain posture, and devices for trunk alignment that assist the students in maintaining body alignment and control so they can perform a range of daily tasks.